Is your iPhone home screen looking a little basic? Most people think they're stuck with that tiny standard clock icon, but you can actually transform it into something much more functional and stylish. Today I'm going to show you how to level up your clock, including the hidden widget trick that most users completely miss. Let's long press on any empty space on your screen until the icons start jiggling. Tap Edit, and now hit the Add Widget icon. And now search for clock. Tap on that. Now look at these options. You aren't just stuck with the one style. You have the classic analog, the digital, and my personal favorite, the world clock. If you have a family member or teammates in different time zones, this is a game changer. Just swipe through, pick the size that fits your aesthetic, and hit Add Widget. Once it's on your home screen, you can actually customize it further. Tap the widget while in edit mode. You can change what city it's tracking. You can even stack multiple clocks on top of each other to save space. Now your home screen actually looks like it belongs to a pro. If this quick tip helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Ever wonder how to turn on your ringer on your iPhone? Watch this video now.